So, today we're going to be building a PC. So, make sure you have all your stuff ready and we'll get right into it. So, the first thing we do, is the motherboard. Sorry, show me the motherboard. Oh, fuck! Fuck it, I'm so dusty. Oh, okay, so now that we have motherboard, you just want to shove it in here, really. Who made this thing? Not yet. What has my life come to? Okay, so now that you have the motherboard, it's fairly simple. Wow, that's magnetic. I didn't know that. Fuck my life. Are these the right screws?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
So now,
okay,
time to screw them in.
That was the wrong way.
You think I'd fucking know? You think I'd know?
Is this even in the right place?
So, first of all, make sure your motherboard's in the right place.
Oh, it has to go in the fucking bag. Like,
where?
no, like, I didn't put it through the hole of the bag.
Oh yeah, these are the country.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, right.
There you go. So now is the time to actually put it. That was a test. You guys, if you failed, you failed. You ready? Just stop watching. Okay, so now that you have the motherboard in, the next step is to... What's the next step?
Wait, hang on. Oh shit. The CPU. CPU, the CPU, yeah.
So, yeah, another test. Yeah, this thing, right? Looks like that. Yeah, loads of little pricky things. That actually feels really nice. Yeah, so this is the next thing that goes in. It goes in right here. Like, what the fuck? There you go. But as you can see, our one's a bit dirty. See, we went for the cheaper option. We got a used one, so it still works. It's just a bit dusty, innit? So I recommend you wash this with just a bit of lukewarm water, about 30 seconds, and it should be good to go. Cool. So you just wash it now. Make sure you really get in there. See this? This stuff isn't important at all. Wink, wink. There you go. Wow, they must have really messed up this CPU. God, some people with computers, right? There you go. Good as new. Look at that. Hanging out in the wall looks so good. Oh, now that we have the chip, you just want to shove it in, really. Fuck, which way is it going? There you go. Yeah, look at that. Perfect. Just clamp that shit. A bit of tension. Boom. Ready to go. Yes! Magic tricks. You didn't see that fucking coming, did you? Let's go! Cool. So now that you have your CPU in, you want to make sure you have a radiator. So yeah, this thing, it's kind of like what you have at home, innit? I mean, you wouldn't want to be cold during winter, right? Your PC is the same thing. You gotta treat it right. So this bad boy right here, he keeps your PC nice and roasting, just in case it starts getting a bit too chilly in there. So you see that? That's where the yeah.
Make sure you do opposite colours, people. Oh my god, I shouldn't have done that.
Hold up.
Did you screw a screw in?
Not only did I screw a screw in, I screwed in 2.
You screwed in 2. Oh my god. Oh, yeah, there's 4 missing screws actually. I don't know what they did with them. Oh wait, the fucking radiator.
Look at that, so much better. I hate flatheads. They are the fucking worst.
That's racist as flathead.
Oh, yeah. So now that we plug that in, let's get all these wires out of the way, right? So what you want to do, this yellow one here. Yellow means good. Okay, that's the DVD drive. I'll do that. Why is this going the other way? Oh. You see, wires have 2 ends. Where the fuck does this go? Okay.
When you think we're acting stupid, but actually, just stop.
Yeah, this one! I remember this one. This goes here. Surely.
Remember when you said don't put the light on?
Okay, let's do it again. Alright. Yeah, so this yellow bastard goes here. There you go. Now. Why does he have a butt plug in him? What the fuck? Yo, why has this guy got a butt plug? What the Where does this go, sir? Oh! It's a tactical butt plug. Look, see that shit?
Ah.
Fuck yeah. Boom. See, this guy knows. He knows. See, blue and blue. Wow, who knew building PCs was easy, right? I know what the comments are going to be like. But James, what do these wires do? Where do these lead to? My answer to that is, how the fuck should I know? Sure, that's probably in.
Sure.
I think that goes to the power supply. I would probably assume it does. That'll make the most sense. Talking of which...
Oh, you're recording, aren't you?
Yeah.
This is the power supply. Now, this is the dude that powers all your shit, right? I mean, what else would you want, really?
Get paid.
Do you want to fucking die?
So, to put it in, yeah, you do. Where do? Where? Who do you voodoo? Oh! Brown goes on the brown town. Cool. This wire probably goes over here. Right? Sure. Oh, look at that. That snap means fuck yeah. This one. He goes here. We're on a roll, boys! We're on a roll! These, you see this?
These are fake wires. They're putting in this air to test you. It's a conspiracy theory. The commies are coming! Yeah, so you want to fucking put this in, right? And for that, you got to have the right tools for the job, right? Yeah? You use your screwdriver when you have good old-fashioned brute force. Sorry, turn the video on. Turn the video on. Oh, I don't know. Turn it down. They can't. My content. Wait. I'm stupid. Oh, it goes in. There's a fucking hole where those 2 pins go. It's ingenious!
The question is, how does it secure itself?
Oh, I know how it goes in. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. That ain't coming out. Oh yeah. Not on my watch, you ain't. Bitch! Oh shit. Yeah, right boys. Let's put these bad boys in. This is your ram stick. Now, right here we have 512, 5. We have a gig of RAM? What the fuck's that? Where'd you find this shit?
I don't know either.
Really, nigga?
Let's continue. Right. To be fair, I should have done this before the power supply, but here at Jam 89, we're a bit unorthodox. So
now you gotta find a way to put this shit in. There's some clips here, make sure they're pulled back. Move that shit out the way. Oh, look at all these wires, man. Now it goes in a certain way. Is it that way?
Turn it around.
What?
Turn it around.
What? You turn it around. It's fucking...
Yeah,
What?
yeah.
Bro, you retarded. What do you mean? Cyrus, I'm telling you, you just gotta ram it in. Ah! Fuck this piece of shit. This is as flimsy as my fucking peen dog.
It's like my peen, man.
Like my peen dog. And there you go. You push it into it, clicks, and now you're ready to
destroy your computer. Ah, I just realised you're supposed to put...
You're supposed to put one. You're supposed to put this one like in like. Wait, you're supposed to go in like two. Anyway.
Alright. Now you have this thing. This is the DVD. This is the DVD drive. This is where you put all your music, your animes, your animes, play your Game Boys. Yeah. I know technology. What do you mean? Alright, now. I don't know why I unscrewed this. Cool. Now you shove this in somewhere. Oh. I don't know if that's in, Cyrus. Do you think it's in?
Yeah,
Do you,
fuck it.
do you really think it's in, Cyrus? Do you think it's gonna come out anytime?
No. Fucking hit it!
The wrong answer! Get in there! That might actually never come out. But that's a good thing. Yeah. You upgrade their computers. Fucking nerds, right? Okay, I don't know where that goes. Oh, it goes in there somewhere, but we'll do that later. So now, you find whatever end of the cable here you want to plug in. Not that one. And then you shove it there. Yeah. Then you get the other one. And then you leave it. Sorted, mate. Alright, so the next thing, let's just lift this up. Cool, you lift it up here. Let's get a good view of the inside. That's what we have so far. What's next, Cyrus?
HDD?
Ah, yeah. I mean, it's all well being able to play your animes and your Game Boys on here, but where are you gonna store your save data, right? One of these bad boys. He's a big boy. he's a Chinese boy. As for where it goes, that's a good question. Where does it go, Cyrus?
Fucking chuck it in the middle.
I mean, we have a fluid state drive, so it's the new edition came out like yesterday or something, you know.
2012.
It's one, yeah, it's one of the ones you don't need any cable. You see, it's the new era of tech. You just shove it. Come get closer. I want to see this new technology right here. You see, this was perfectly made. This space was measured out just for this drive. Specifically, this is a custom-made PC light. I'm telling you, we have connection. I missed out a screw. So you put it right here. There you go. You can't hear that. It just made a power-up sound. It is now ready to go. That's the part I missed. Anyway. What the fuck is this? Alright. Next, final step, guys. We're almost there. So you wanna get your case and put it on. Right?
James.
What?
What about the graphics card?
Fuck. And there we go, boys! We have ourselves a finished PC. Now let's look at the final build.
the ghetto, taking short steps 1 foot at a time and kept my head low and never let go, cause if I let go, then I'd be spineless. I'm going insane.
I think my mind just goes out of control and touch on subjects motherfuckers read about. I touch on the shit that they be leaving out. I seen this motherfucker's non-smoking. I seen the same nigga with the 9 dying with his eyes open. And simply what this means is he didn't know that every dog had his day until he seen his. I bet you motherfuckers will too, because it's time, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still. Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, still fool. Die, motherfuckers, die, motherfucker, still.
I think it's something in the water, man. It's gotta be in the water.
Oh fuck, Chuck's on a killing spree again with guillotine for men. I walk around town with a frown on my face. Fuck the whole world, finna catch a murder case. The murder rate
may increase if you caught up in the world while it's dying. I guarantee you frying, cause I am on the verge of knocking motherfuckers out for no reason. Once I get down, there'll be no breathing. It seems when motherfuckers wanna calm down, put his palm down. Seems like I still lay the law down. Now it's all back. What you wanna do? I'm asking you. Stuck to face, I break.
Alright guys, now let's turn our PC on. It works. Yeah. Exactly the way we built it. See, hard work pays off, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. What the fuck is that noise? What the Cyrus, what the fuck are you doing? Oh shit!